Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for Nintendo Switch error code 2813-0039. The error reads, "The code you entered was not recognized." This error occurs when you try to redeem a download code. According to our research, this error is likely caused by entering the download code incorrectly. It may also result from using an eShop card from a region that does not match your Nintendo Switch console's eShop region. The first thing you should try is restarting your Nintendo Switch console. To do this, press and hold the power button for several seconds, then select Power Options, then choose Restart and wait for the console to reboot. Once it turns back on, attempt to redeem your download code again. If restarting your console doesn't work, try verifying that you're entering the full download code correctly. To do this, carefully re-enter each character of your download code. Pay special attention to characters that look similar. For example, and the 8th of May look like a 3, or a K may look like an X. After you have re-entered the code, check for the error again. If verifying the code doesn't resolve the issue, check the region of your eShop card. And confirm that it matches the region of your Nintendo Switch and eShop account. If the error still occurs after trying all of these steps, please contact Nintendo support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.